Here's the building here, and you've got to cut through the restaurant here, man.
So we got a gift shop, or are we up to this one?
I like this part in particular. Reminds me of the hallway in Harry Potter. I just like the way it looks. I could hang out here for a while just checking it out. That's the front entrance there. This is where it all started in the afternoon at Dogwood Canyon Nature Center. Yes. That about sums it up, bro. That about sums it up. Listen. Dead horse and everything. Why not? From whence hence I came. Talking about the stag moose, man. Surveillance CC Scotty. Hey, Scotty. Stag moose. You're a stag moose. 10-4, buddy. There's the restaurant. There's the parking lot. There's my exit. 1010W 1040. Over and out, Chief. It's a true, yeah.